presentation.
To our lecturer, Ms. Shusha. So today I'm going to do a presentation on the subject strategic change and management. So today the date will be 5th December, and also the company that I have chosen is Uniqlo Malaysia. Next, I'm going to talk about introduce myself. So my name is Angeline Daphne Lawson. So student ID will be SUKD 1900255. IC number and award will be single degree award in accounting. So the next slide will be the content and also timeline of this presentation. So first of all, this presentation is going to include the introduction to Uniqlo Malaysia. Second will be Porter's 5 forces analysis. So the third one will be existing strategy of the company. And the fourth one will be the safe analysis. Fifth will be the conclusion for this presentation. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the introduction of Uniqlo Malaysia. Since opening its first store in Malaysia, which is in the year that it started is the 2010, which is the first store is open in the Kuala Lumpur Fahrenheit 88. So Uniqlo is known as a clothing wear brand. It is a well-known company for their material and clothing wise, and Uniqlo has grown into one of the Malaysia's most loved brands. So today, Uniqlo brings its lifewear apparel to Malaysian customers through 51 outlets in the 10 states, which is covering the peninsula and also East Malaysia, especially Kuala Lumpur and also Putrajaya, as well as they have their online store, which is uniqlo.com. So customers can also purchase their clothes through online if they are more suitable to have online purchasing at their website. Next, I'm going to talk about the Porter's 5 forces analysis. So regarding the Porter's 5 force analysis, the first one will be the threat of new entrance. This is the level of threat of new entrance is medium. This is because the industry is influenced by globally and also local stores. So therefore, there is a better brand identity for the consumers to choose. But looking into the presence of variety stores such as FOS, Brands Outlet, Padini, G2000, Forever 21. So these are the examples of fast fashion retailers where people are going towards the brand nowadays. So these brands creates an intense competition in the industry, which will lead to a significant decline in switching the courses. So consumers can easily shift to competing firms in their consumptions process. So new entrants face a major challenge in the market to attain an optimal market position in an industry that is dominated by major competitors. Therefore, the large fashion retailers in the industry have developed remarkable economies of scales, thus it is making it more difficult for new entrants to succeed in this market. So next, I'm going to talk about the threat of substitutes. So the level of threats of substitutes in Uniqlo company will be a level of high. This is because it is experiencing a substantial increment in the volume of fashion products over the past decades. So one of the major challenges, it relates to the existence of a large number of local and also foreign retailers. So the retailers produce and market different apparels. Therefore, the intense competition presents a major challenge to fashion retailers as consumers can easily switch to competitors that are offering low price products. For example, if the competitors are offering a high quality and also a stylish clothing, so it is likely that customers would switch to the products that has higher offers. And also, this aspect presents a major threat in Uniqlo's quest for an optimal market position. Next will be the bargaining power of buyers. So in this industry, it is categorized by high buyer bargaining power. This is due to the intense and extreme great competition between the competitors, and the consumers have a wide range of options to select from the cost of making their purchase decision with regard to the apparels. So in this aspect, consumers that consume Uniqlo products, they have options to choose from the sizes, like they have XS size, S size, M size, L, XL, double XL, and also sometimes it also have different patterns and varies in designs. And besides that, their quality wise of material are thicker, and when it's thicker, the cost is at low, and which this is going to attract the customers as it produces a reasonable price for them to purchase. So the high buyer bargaining power has led to the creation of price competition among the casual wear retailers in an effort to in an effort to develop customer loyalty towards the branding. So next, I'm going to talk about the bargaining power of suppliers. So in this Uniqlo, the company, the bargaining power of suppliers is at a low level. This is because high suppliers' power refers to the ability of suppliers to influence product prices upwards through looking at the raw material, their labor charge, and also other services that they provide to a particular firm. So, relative to low bargaining power, it is due to the numerous and a number of suppliers of the necessary raw material. So this is going to cause the cause an impact to the suppliers, whereby the suppliers cannot influence the market price. So next, I'm going to talk about the threat of competitors. So the threat of competitors here will be uh, a high level for the Uniqlo company. This is because to survive in the industry, it is imperative for Uniqlo to ensure that it integrates effective operational strategy. So therefore, they have to have differentiation in the product wise, whereby looking at the competitors like Brands Outlet and Padini, sometimes they have to have Uniqlo have to have differentiation in their product so that customers, they can drag customers attention, and when they provide a greater quality, so it's going to be a greater and high competition in the market, because the consumers will be deciding whether to choose Uniqlo's product based on the quality, their cost, and also based on the design, or to choose the competitive company such as Brands Outlet or Padini. So next, I'm going to talk about the existing strategy in this company. So first of all, the existing strategy in this company is where they have independent monitoring of fabric manufacturers to in order for them to check their environmental performance. So this is when the fast retailers create their own awareness in the fabric producers, like they have the inspection in the coloring of the material, dyeing process. So it is an aim to promote a careful measurement and also management of discharged water and also other effluents, and providing an appropriate management of waste material and chemicals, and health safety wise checks for the workers itself. Therefore, as most fabric producers are large, and the manufacture for many customers, the fast retailing is pressing for environmental standards across the entire apparel industry. This is because a large amount of energy, water, chemicals are used in the dyeing process. So they are frequently been checking on the appropriate disposal water, wastewater, and so that they can enforce proper legal management of the effluents. Therefore, the next point will be initiate product recycling, whereby Uniqlo is initiating a product recycling method where they try to save the waste materials by recycling, and also this is going to help the environmental performance, whereby for example, instead of using plastic bags, they are using paper bags, uh, and after like any metal is removed from the product, it is compressed together with the paper and plastic for reuse as recycled paper bags. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the usage of no, the previous slide, the usage of safe analysis. So first of all, safe analysis, I'm going to talk about the suitability, whereby based on Uniqlo's product, Uniqlo is improving the lifestyle and also creating a better environment. So this strategy is going to give a good impact to the company, and also this is because it enhances and provides a better knowledge for the consumers, and also give knowledge to them to understand that they need to have a better environment, so they can also practice the recycling method. So the next safe analysis will be on the acceptability. Next, okay. So acceptability is when they reduce the effect of the environment, and also this is when they manufacture better quality of clothing, such as Uniqlo. Uh, Uniqlo has invented a soft fabric whereby it will make uh, customers to dry the clothes quickly, where because the soft fabric is containing a quick drying inner fabric. So when they have like this kind of the quality material, so this is going to drag the attention of the consumers to buy their product, to purchase their product, instead of purchasing brands outlet or Pardini product, even though the prices are almost the same, but the quality of the material will be different. So stakeholders will accept this strategy, and it can be financed. This strategy can be financed. So next will be the third safe analysis which is the feasibility. So this is going to talk about whether the recommendation is feasible or not. So based on the strategy, the recommendation is feasible, and this strategy can be financed because uh, Uniqlo company is already having and also capable of doing this strategy, is because they have enough resources, and also they can, therefore they can uh, do the strategy because they have sufficient resources, and the recommendation is feasible. So next, last but not least, I'm going to go to the conclusion for this presentation. So as a conclusion, Uniqlo company is a company that is capable for this strategy. It is because of the sufficient resources, and besides that, it also makes a greater improvement in the environmental performance, which will help to educate consumers to uh, get their attention to consume the product, and also this will make Uniqlo to become a successful fast retailing fashion company among their competitors in the fashion market industry. That's all from me today. Thank you very much for letting me to present this presentation. Thank you, Miss.